Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience using this service. Today we're taking a look at TravelSim, found at TravelSim.com. This website offers a global eSIM card designed to keep you connected while you travel internationally, potentially saving you a bundle on roaming charges. The site is clean and easy to navigate, making it straightforward to understand their offerings and purchase a eSIM card. They highlight features like prepaid data plans, coverage in numerous countries, and the ability to manage your account online. This suggests a convenient solution for staying connected abroad without the hassle of swapping SIMs or dealing with complicated local carrier plans. They emphasize cost-effectiveness, which is a key draw for travelers seeking to manage their expenses. Exploring the website, you'll find details about pricing, coverage maps, compatible devices, and customer support information. They also appear to offer eSIM options, which is a great modern alternative for compatible devices. This allows you to activate service digitally without needing a physical eSIM card. It's definitely worth investigating further if you're a frequent international traveler or planning a trip abroad. The convenience of a single eSIM card for global coverage, coupled with the potential for cost savings, makes TravelSim an attractive option. Remember to check the specifics of their plans, coverage in your destinations, and compare it to other international roaming solutions to find the best fit for your needs. They might also have special promotions running, so it's always a good idea to explore those options. For more detailed information, I encourage you to visit their website directly at TravelSim.com. There, you can explore their various plans, check the coverage in your planned destinations, and read customer reviews. Doing your research beforehand can ensure you're making the most informed decision for your international connectivity needs.